Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Please subscribe. Today we are going to look at finding a slope in the y-intercept from a standard equation of a line. Ax plus by equals to c is the standard form of equation of a line. Example 1. If we have been given 3x plus 4y equals to 8, and we want to find the slope and the y-intercept. What we have to do is that we have to rearrange this given equation to look like y is equals to ms plus b. That means we have to be able to isolate the y. We have to be able to make the y stand by itself. So we need to get rid of this 4. We need to get rid of this 3. Here you will need a prerequisite of how to solve equation. Right. So first of all, we need to get rid of the 3x. It's a positive 3x. We want to make it 0, so we will subtract. And now we have to do the same thing on the right hand side so that we don't change the equation. If that happens, they turn into 0, so they are no more. So we got 4y equals to 8 3x here. Now the next one is for us to get rid of the 4. The 4 is multiplying, so when we divide, we can able to make it 1. So we will divide here by 4. We have to repeat the same thing for here. It's each of them are each term, they are individual, so we have to divide each by 4. And then we got y. It turns into 1, so we got 1y. And then 8 divided by 4 is 2. Minus, here it's not divisible, so we will leave it as such. And we'll break our x here. Okay, we want to make it look like this. So here we can just reposition. We can reposition this first. And then here. And then it will look like this one here. So 1y is the same as y. We are writing the negative 3 over 4x, and then the 2 was positive, so here is going to be plus 2. So now we have able to rearrange it to look like y is equal to ms plus b. And here the slope. So the slope, which happens to represent by m, is negative 3 over 4. And the y-intercept is 0, 2. Okay, so let's look at example 2. We have 2. Example 2, we have negative 7y plus 10x equals to 21. And we're going to rewrite it. This is in the standard form, so we have to be able to rewrite it to like y is equals to ms plus b. So here we need to get rid of this 10x is plus 10x, so we want to make it 0, so we will subtract with the equal amount of number here, so it's going to be negative 10x. We have to repeat the same thing here. This 10 into 0, leaving us with negative 7y equals to 21 minus 10x. we need to get rid of the -7. It's multiplying. There is nothing in between them, so it's multiplication. We want to make here 1, so we have to divide it by equal number, because if we divide it by equal number, it will turn into 1. So here we divide it by -7. We have to repeat the same thing here, and then we have to do the same thing here too. Okay, here turns into 1, and that's what we are looking for, which we can write it as y. And here 21 divided by -7, there is a negative over there, so the answer will be negative, and now we get -3. Here there's negative, so it will turn into positive. It's not really divisible, so we will hold it like that. So here they become plus 10/7x. So we are going to rearrange it to look like this here. So write y is equals to, we're going to write this one first, 10/7x minus 3. So here our slope, which is a m, becomes 10/7, and our y-intercept becomes -3, which we can write it as a point, which becomes 0, -3, and we are done.